So today, headed up the Lake Hardy Trail. I think this is the Lake Hardy Trail at least. And from there I'm going to try to get on Bighorn and follow the ridge to Lone Peak. At least that's the plan. And yeah, it's going to be a really big day. Today I woke up at 4, made myself a breakfast, went to Walmart to get some Cliff Bars, and I got on the trail by 5:30. It was like a 30-minute drive from Walmart. But yeah, finding this trail sucks because the location on all trails goes to some other fence that says no trespassing. So looking on the map, I found this cul-de-sac and it went to this dirt road, which had a gate that said you're allowed to hike on it, just can't go off the trail. So hopefully I'm going in the right direction because I don't feel like turning around this early in the morning. So yeah, city's just starting to wake up. All the birds are already awake, but yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Yeah, I just came up that way and looks like the road starts to end because it goes more into a trail. But yeah, there's the Bighorn right there. Have to get up on that. I have to follow the ridge to Lone Peak. My motivation right now is to walk fast because there's an unholy amount of mosquitoes up here. It really sucks. I didn't bring any bug spray, brought sunscreen. I don't think that does anything to bugs, unless if you put a lighter in front of it. Lone Peak Wilderness finally, off that dude's property. Kind of weird, but oh well. Do what you gotta do. This is the Lake Hardy Trail. You can see it under the bushes. There's some stinging nettle. There's more back there. So yeah, hopefully it's not like this the whole freaking way, or I'll probably drop dead. So, and I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes. Great. These mosquitoes are unreal. I've like spat out so many by all these mosquitoes. It's ridiculous. I'm on the ridge of Bighorn and I just snacked up, had a Cliff Bar, had some water. I was scared that that one right there was Bighorn, but it's not. I don't know what that peak is called. It's definitely the one behind me, but I've been wrong before. At the top of Bighorn, some fun ridge lines ahead of me. thinking on my way back, I might drop into Bell's Canyon right here. I'll try to go up that little chute and find Lake Hardy. Just drop down, follow the trail. Probably a different trail. And they all lead to the parking lot. And ooh, late corn is July. It's like 11 o'clock on the dot, and I'll have to do Lone Peak from Jacob's Ladder sometime. I hear it's like miserable, but yeah, almost at the top. Lone Peak, I think. So I just got back from the top. I didn't take out my drone up there because there's people almost at the top. I don't want to get yelled at because I've been yelled at for playing a speaker out here, so didn't really want to risk it. I'm going to try to get around Bighorn so I don't have to hike it, but also at the same time moving towards Lake Hardy. So yeah, it's about 12 right now. And yeah, lunch is going to be good. So food inventory right now is 3 Cliff Bars, a messed up sandwich, and 3 clementines. So I'll probably eat the sandwich and the clementines for lunch, save the Cliff Bars for later. But yeah, can't beat this view. And coming off of Lone Peak, I kind of ripped my fingernail, so it's bleeding, but that shouldn't be too bad. I can wash it off in some water down the road. Drop into Bell's Canyon and cut to the ridge over there because I brought micro spikes and I want to use them. Jumping off that probably wasn't the smartest thing, but it definitely was fun. Now I'm in Bell's Canyon. I'm gonna cut that way, and actually right there exactly. micro spikes on. I'm gonna head straight out of Bell's Canyon, hopefully to Lake Hardy on the other side of that ridge. Came down with that bowl, dropped into Bell's Canyon, came up here. I have no idea what those peaks are, but I did look over the edge and Lake Hardy is over there. So that was cool. I only put my head and my feet. Yeah, I didn't want to get my torso really cold. But I'm glad I didn't, because as soon as I got out, this huge gust of wind came by and just froze me. Here's I found the trail. See, I kind of just bushwhacked down the stream. Yeah, this side's much better than the other side. I thought there was a lot of stinging nettle, but no, it's just mint. Mint is so much better than stinging nettle. Or poison oak. I don't know which one looks like mint, but one of them does. Junction at about 3:40. Yeah, from here I should know the rest of it. So I'm in the car. That was a fun adventure, I'll be honest. Kind of sucked at the beginning with mosquitoes and stinging nettle and that crappy trail, but it got a lot better.